Hi everyone, welcome to Innovaz Academy. I'm SV. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Tableau, what is the use case of Tableau with some simple examples. Tableau is a data visualization tool. Using this tool, we can develop a dashboard. First, let me tell you what is visualization. Visualization is the process of representing information in a graphical or visual format. For an example, chart, graphs, maps, diagrams, something like that. For an example, you're going for some presentation where you would need to talk about some daily production. In your presentation document, you will be using image graph instead of using raw text, because when you explain content using image and graph, people can understand the content more easily and quickly. Actually, that is what visualization is about. Okay. Now let me give you an example. For an example, I have some data. This is sales data. In this sales data, I have something like order date, ship date, customer name, product name, sales discount, something like that. Some transactional details. As a product owner, they need to understand so many insights, right? For an example, what is the sales happening across all the regions? What is the sales happening across all the category? What is the sales happening across all the product? What are the top products? What are the top customers? What are the bottom customers? So likewise, there are so many insights, right? As a product owner, they will need to understand the insights. According to that, they will do some precautions or another action. Okay. So that is why we are using Tableau. What we will do using Tableau, we will convert this raw data into dashboard format. As you can see, this particular raw data, I just converted into dashboard format. Look at here. Now I can quickly tell you by just referring this dashboard, what is the category-wise sales? What is the subcategory-wise sales? What is the shipment-wise sales? What is the segment-wise sales? What is the year-on-year sales? What is the month-on-month sales? What is the year-on-year profit? What is the month-on-month profit? This is something, now it is easy, right? So that is why we are using Tableau. So this particular dashboard developed using Tableau. Okay. So whenever it is required, people can refer this particular dashboard and they will get to know about the data progress. Okay. So that is the main use case. All right. So some people might also ask me like, we have Excel, why don't we develop a dashboard using Excel? Why we want to use Tableau? The reason behind we are using Tableau, when you are developing charts using Excel, for example, here I have simple chart that we have done using this Excel data. For an example, I currently I'm getting some additional data. So what I need to do in order to populate those additional data into this chart, I have to go back to the source data and I have to expand it. Okay, I have to do it manually. So this is something you no need to do when it comes to Tableau. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing, when you're doing visualization using Tableau, you can directly connect with any database. Database like Snowflake, Oracle, SQL, there are so many databases we have. So whichever you want, you can connect from the Tableau. That is another thing. Why we want to use the database? Because if it is in Excel, you can store only some limited amount of records. It is not like that when it comes to database. You can store n number of data. Okay, so that is another thing. That is why we are using database. So using Tableau, you can connect with any database and you can do any visualization. And you can do auto scheduling. Like once you schedule the refresh, the data will automatically refresh in the backend, so that whatever the dashboard you are referring, it will always be up to date. Okay, because it is auto refresh. Data will automatically refresh in the backend. So whatever the data that you are referring here, it will always be up to date. So that is why we are using Tableau. All right. So that's all about this video. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments. And I'll be covering everything start to finish about Tableau visualization, including real world projects to help you master it step by step. So make sure to stay tuned all of my upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Innovaz Academy for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.